Hey, thanks for meeting me.
Yeah, no problem. I just got here a few minutes ago.
It's kind of quiet today.
Yeah, it is. I like it. It feels calm.
Yeah, calm is good.
You look a little worried. Is everything okay?
Me? I was actually going to ask you the same thing.
I don't know. I've been thinking a lot lately
About what?
about us and everything.
Okay, tell me.
I feel like things have changed.
Changed? How?
I don't know. It's just we don't talk like before.
Yeah,
Before, we used to talk every day, even about small things.
like your morning coffee.
Yeah, and your work stories.
I talk too much about work.
No, I liked it. It felt close.
I see.
And now, when we do talk, it feels different.
Different how?
Like not as warm, not as easy.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
Really?
Yeah, I just didn't know how to say it.
It's been on my mind for a while.
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I was afraid.
Afraid of what?
Afraid of your reaction. Afraid things would get worse.
You don't have to be afraid to talk to me.
I know, but it's not easy.
Yeah, I understand.
Sometimes I think maybe I'm just overthinking.
No, I don't think so.
You don't?
No, I feel it too.
Do you feel the same way?
Honestly, yes.
That's what I thought.
But I still care about you. A lot.
I care about you too.
I think life got busy.
Yeah, work, stress, everything.
And maybe we stopped making time for each other.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Do you remember when we used to come here every weekend?
Yeah, we always sat by the window.
And you always ordered the same drink.
I still do.
Yeah, I noticed.
I miss those days.
Me too.
It felt simple.
Yeah, simple and easy.
So, what do we do now?
Maybe we just need to talk more.
Like before?
Yeah, even small things.
That could help.
Or maybe we need some time to think, too.
Time?
Not like going away, just slowing down.
Slowing down.
Yeah, not putting pressure on everything.
That sounds better.
I don't want to lose what we have.
Me neither.
It's important to me.
It's important to me too.
So maybe we take things slowly
Yeah, step by step.
and be honest with each other,
Even if it's hard?
even if it's hard.
Okay, I can do that.
Me too.
I feel a little better now.
Yeah, me too.
I'm glad we talked.
Me too.
Thank you for listening.
Always.
It's getting cold.
Yeah, we didn't drink anything.
We were too busy talking.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, it is.
So, we'll try again?
Yeah, let's see how things go.
One step at a time.
One step at a time.